Hi guys, today I am going to show how to draw hands and how to paint them. Please position your hands at different angles or position a mirror in front of you so you can easily see your hands while practicing. Hands are challenging to draw and improvement comes over time. Don't be discouraged by mistakes, they are part of the learning process. Don't just copy references, try to understand how the hand works. This deeper knowledge will help you make decisions on how to draw hands even when you are not using a reference. By following these strategies and practicing regularly, your ability to draw hands will improve significantly and you will gain more confidence in your ability to capture this challenging but essential part of the human form. Try different gestures such as an open hand, a fist, pointing or grabbing on object. Some websites are especially designed for artists to get forced references. I had recommended using sites like lineofaction.com and bodiesinmotion.com to practice. I mentioned websites links in the description. Please check. Very helpful for everyone, especially beginners. Speed drawing hands can be a fun and challenging exercise to improve your drawing skills. When drawing hands quickly, focus on simplifying the shapes and capturing the basic gesture rather than focusing too much on details. I also suggest practicing the hands of different age groups like children, younger people, and older ones. Also, observe the difference between male and female hands. Children's hands soft, rounded, chubby fingers, often with less visible knuckles. Younger adults' hands that are more defined and have visible knuckles and veins. The fingers are longer and the skin more tight compared to the children's hands. Older adults' hands, wrinkles, age spots, and thinner skin. The hands may show more pronounced veins, tendons, and bone structure. There is often a slightly more rigid or worn look to the skin and joints. What is the difference between male and female hands? Female hands typically more delicate with slimmer fingers, softened curves, and a more refined look. Male hands generally larger with more visible muscle definition and broader forms. To create realistic skin tones, it's important to mix your colors thoughtfully. Skin is made of a combination of warm, cool, and natural tones, and this can vary depending on the individual and their lighting. For fair skin tones, mix titanium white, cadmium red, chrome yellow, and burnt sienna. For medium skin tones, mix yellow ochre, burnt sienna, cadmium red, and titanium white. For dark skin tones, mix burnt umber, cadmium red, yellow ochre, and a touch of Payne's grey. For cool shadows, mix cobalt blue, purple, or Payne's grey. Now I am to be working on fair skin tone hands. regularly and you can improve your drawing and painting skills. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.